Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. And when you hit that like button, it helps out the channel, the algorithm. Let's get going. I shot video with the Insta360 X5 in single lens, and I turned the camera sideways and I got some excellent shots on my vlog for me. The tunnel of Yellen. So we're heading down towards the shore. We'll take a different route, different path, but we did this one already, and we're gonna just continue on and have fun. All right, so we're heading in. We'll go to the end. A little relaxation on the pedals. So as we spin down the hill, yes indeed, go where the fishing's at. We're heading on the gates and look out towards the ocean. We'll catch the beautiful sunrise. The ocean, nice and calm, relaxing. And there is the sunrise. You still got your front row seat. Now, it's a mixture of clouds. You got the smoothness, the big, white, powerful one above the smoothness, and the definitions. I'm not staying long. I'm heading back to the other way. I'm gonna ride down towards the bay. This used to be a spot where I would come with the RC trucks, and it was all gravel. And you're able to just basically come in here and do what you want. Now it's a park. We wait in the middle of the road for the commuter's bus. All right, I had to stop and look at this car. It's an oldie, a classic. Speaking of classics, I had to pull over. We got two boats at the first pier. And I've been on one of them. A nice old wooden boat. We're going up higher, more frames, more things, more ironwood. And they're gonna pop a wheelie for you. I don't get it. We got a sidewalk, bike path, walk path. We all do it. We all get it. We all do it. We all get it. I'm like a broken record. I made it to two places where I wanted to be. I got my ride in. What a wonderful sunrise, the golden hour in your eyes. I think what I'd do is do a Yui. And what do you think I was gonna do? Point the camera towards me so the sun could be out of your eyes? Sure. And that's exactly what I've done. I turned around so I could get a nice view of both sides and you could see the other end. And we are done for the day. So I heard with the Insta360 X5 that firmware V1.1.12, whatever number it is, the latest firmware, that somebody had trouble when they were shooting in 360, that it caused artifacts and issues. And with my Sony in low light, it adjusted high and low exposure value. And I take it as a great phenomenon if you want to have the best exposure jumps. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the camera to have. So I'm gonna pedal on and take a different route. We did a try route. I'm over here. I'm gonna check out Choo Choo Charlie, the caboose, cotton candy, and trains. Oh yeah, it's fun to be on the train. It sure is. Let's get on going. I ran over a can, and the can shocked me. They're still at it. I haven't seen it ride around. Maybe they're up at nighttime. Maybe it's just there for decoration. Yeah, the movie theater, the roller rink, the gym, still above. Now a restaurant. Lights, man. At least it was courtesy to wait for me to go by. We're painting lines. Lines on the street. So, I gotta go meet up with Joe. Take care of some beeswax. Yeah, I made some call outs and I got some responses. These buildings all weren't here. And yeah, it used to be an old business, just a building, a store, a house. And I used to hang all the time, take care of beeswax. No more. Now it's all commercial. I'm riding in a beautiful shaded area. I got bikes all locked up. They did this place over, did a nice job, let me tell you. Wow, the gates are open, and I'm in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pull over. But I tell you what, I don't have my mount to put my camera on. I gotta go find a place to put it down. Well, I like that over there. We got some chessboard, checkerboards. We put a tree in the middle. Beautiful park. Yeah, I think it's a great way to end my vlog. Too bad, DJI, you didn't give us pause recording in live feed and cancel recording. That would have made the ultimate camera. And I wonder if the Action 6 that's supposed to been out or be out or gonna come out may have it. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you all. Be a nice feature to have in this bad boy. Well, I use my camera before dawn and after dusk sometimes. Yeah, I use it right between, just before the dawn hours rise up. And it does a good job, and I can't wait to do the X5. I haven't gotten that many shots at nighttime, but if there's no light, there's no video. Common sense. And yeah, I want to walk out underneath the street lights and capture those moments. Is this my highlight of the talk? It's me ending my vlog and saying, hey, I'm Fish. Oh, time for me to get on out of here and go enjoy the rest of my days. I see a firefly. What is he doing out during the day? Have a great day. I'll see you later. Happy trails to you till we meet again. I don't sing to you no more. Yep, time for me to get on out. Like I said, I'm slow motion today, and I slow ride home.